hydrating mist, because baby, we want to be a glowy. Is it too early to do a Valentine's makeup look? Today we are diving into the first of 3 of my Valentine's looks that I'm going to be doing. A beautiful, gorgeous pink look. I'm going to do things that I've not done this year. And what's up, my loves? My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. Stay tuned for this video. The skin be skinning, no lie. I am using Dr. Cerakoll. It's so good, so hydrating. You want to be hydrated. I'm using my Touch Dewy Skin. I can't believe we came from wanting to look matte, nice and dewy. Thinking to do like a straight brow. I've just been looking at these girls on TikTok and they've been having straight brows and I was like, oh, I'll try my best because I always end up curving them. This is my version of a straight brow. We're going to prime our eyes using the Revolution Concealer and Define in the shade 12. And I love this because it's got a bit of a pink undertone, priming your eyes and also muting them from any discoloration is a must. Makeup Revolution palette called Regeneration Legendary. Going in with just a mix of pinks and purples just here. And I'm just kind of sweeping it on the crease. So that's how it looks. I'm going in with my Masquerade Juvia's palette and it's this brightish pink. And it's got like gold bits in it. So this Valentine's look is for the people who love a good pinkish color. Going in with a bit of a pink shimmery shadow on top just so that it's not matte because I don't want it to be matte. And then just it's kind of like muting it to be like a lilac kind of color. I'm going to line my eyes. So I am going to be using my foundation from Primark. I mixed it with a bit of color corrector because I like a warm tone foundation. So this is what I have. So that's a tip in case you got a foundation that's a bit too cool or too neutral and you want it to be warm, get your color corrector because your color corrector is warm. So I'm going to be using this little cute tiny brush from TikTok shop. So I really like how glowy and illuminating this product is. That's why I'm going for it, and it's also full coverage. Absolutely blends so stunning. I just liked that first time I tried it when I did a full face of Primark makeup. If you guys have not seen it, go and check. Look at how much I'm using this product. That's how good it is. Timo came through with this one. To me, how it's so good. For concealer, I'm using the HMB Cosmetics concealer. I've been loving this. It's so full coverage and it's blends so stunningly. Just blend that bronzer contour. Just trying to rush because I can see my son waking up. So we are using the Cherry Blossom from Huda Beauty and I'm actually excited to just try it on its own. Let's go with the pink powder finally. I know I am late to the game. Better late than never, okay? It's scary to look at, but it's really not that bad. I'm just gonna let it bake. UJV Beauty blush palette, and I'm gonna go in with the pinks. We're just mixing all of that. I just love how this blush palette is so women of color friendly. So I'm loving this. I hope you guys are loving it too. I'm gonna use my bronzer from Makeup Revolution called In Row. Vitamin Babe hydrating mist because baby, we want to be a glowy. So this is how we're looking so far. Flawless, right? Black liner, maroon liner, with that same pink, and we're going to use my BF Forever Beauty London lip gloss in the shade Cherry. To set, I'm using my Superfix. So this is the final look, guys. I was rushing because my son just woke up and I gotta go, but this is the look. I'm absolutely loving it, and I must say, Huda Beauty came through. I know I was late to the cherry blossom cake powder setting powder, but I absolutely love this little baby. Let me know what you guys think about this look and what are you looking forward to. Let me know in my little 3 video series, because I love this series because it gives you something to binge onto. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do never ever miss any uploads of mine. Bye guys.